Using duplicate subjects is a common mistake that usually the strugglers of language learners at A2 or B1 level they face it. And even the students who are struggling at B2 level, if the sentence is a little bit complex one, they find it difficult to identify whether they are using a duplicate subject. So just observe these examples. My sister, she is a nurse. My brother, who he lives in California, he is a doctor. Even in this sentence, you can observe that it is not a duplicate, rather it is a triplicate subject. So sometimes the students who have just come to know about the using of pronouns, they extravagantly use pronouns excessively. They don't know they are redundant over there. Homo sapiens who first used to thinking, they built the first human social interaction. Have you observed the mistakes in these sentences? Obviously, yes. Let's correct them. Obviously, we need to use only one subject. My sister is a nurse or she is a nurse. But remember, keep in mind that we don't skip the subject, means the noun. You can skip the pronoun that is redundant because noun gives a better clarity in the sentence. So it is better to skip she, not my sister. You can skip it, my sister, as well. She is a nurse is a good sentence, but whenever you have to choose between the two, always choose the noun or prefer noun to pronoun. My brother, who he lives in California, he is a doctor. Now, my brother, it is a triplicate subject in the sentence. So we use it. My brother, who lives in California, is a doctor. Homo sapiens who first used to thinking, they built the first human social interaction. So it is again duplicate subject. We need to cross out this pronoun they in the sentence. So let's have the possible correction. I have already told you that we skip all the redundant pronouns. We don't skip the nouns. And in all the sentences, in all these three sentences, we have skipped all the redundant pronouns over here. Now the sentences are correct. Without them, my sister is a nurse. My brother who lives in California is a doctor. Homo sapiens who first used to thinking built the first human social interaction. Now this is an exercise for you to identify the mistakes in the sentences. Obviously, there are the subjects are duplicate and pronouns are redundant. The fifth sentence probably be a little bit confusing for some learners, but not all. If you face any challenge or difficulty, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you.